Breaking news, trial underway for the illegal alien who murdered Rachel Morin. Harford County, Maryland, Bel Air, Rachel Morin, the jogger who was jogging along the Ma Trail in August of 2023 when she was attacked by an illegal alien from El Salvador. He goes on trial starting today. Jury selection begins. The trial could last 2 weeks. Let me give you some information about this case, and then we will further discuss. Check it out.
Yeah, the long-awaited trial for Victor Martinez-Hernandez, the undocumented immigrant accused of killing Rachel Morin, will begin Tuesday. Fox 45's Rebecca Pryor has a look back on the case and a preview of what's to come.
Yeah, following several delays and a denied change of venue request, this trial has been a long time coming. It's now been about a year and a half since Morin went missing, and finally, this case is now scheduled to go to court next week, with police increasing patrols around the courthouse and Morin's family eager to put this chapter behind them.
Bel Air's Ma and Pa Trail.
We've seen her walk the trail many times.
A well-traveled path in a small suburban town.
I felt like I was watching a criminal movie.
Tainted by a chilling tragedy. Security cameras now lining almost every inch of the trail. Increased security measures in response to the deadly discovery. On August 5th, 2023, Rachel Morin, a 37-year-old mother of 5, left for a run she'd never returned from. Following an overnight search, investigators finding her body stashed in a tunnel drain.
And I was thinking maybe there's a mistake.
The father of Morin's oldest child, Matt McMahon, still haunted by the memory.
I think it's me remembering the time where I still felt that there was a little bit of hope.
Now, he's hoping justice is around the corner.
I'm tired from all of this. Going through all of this really wears you down physically and emotionally.
Side streets will be shut down, and concrete barriers already sit out front the Harford County Courthouse in anticipation for the murder trial of Victor Martinez-Hernandez. The El Salvadorian national's immigration status drawing national attention to the case. Federal immigration authorities claiming U.S. Border Patrol apprehended and expelled the suspect on 3 separate occasions. Meanwhile, local law enforcement reportedly using DNA evidence tying him to Morin's murder and a home invasion and assault in California.
I have complete confidence of Allison Healy in the state's attorney's office and our judicial system in general.
According to McMahon, the first witnesses expected to testify, Morin's then boyfriend, Richard Tobin, and 2 oldest daughters, ages 19 and 14. The last people to speak to Morin before she disappeared.
I see this as an opportunity to stand up for Rachel, defend her, stand up for themselves. So for them, I feel that it's extremely healing to be part of the process.
Yeah, I'd like to see us reinstitute the death penalty and this monster get what he deserves. However, we don't have that in Maryland anymore.
Harford County Sheriff Jeffrey Gaylor among those eager to put this trial behind them and hoping to put Hernandez behind bars.
Of course, a guilty finding and a life without the possibility of parole sentence.
It's something you want, but it's something you shouldn't ever have to want. So it's a complex emotion to feel.
To support Morin's daughters, who are expected to take the stand next Friday, McMahon says that their attorneys will be wearing pink and green in the courtroom, the girls' favorite colors. He also invites anyone else attending the trial to do the same. In Harford County, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45.
Trial for accused killer Rachel Morin to begin in Maryland. Pre-trial will begin today, Monday, in the high-profile case against Victor Martinez-Hernandez, an undocumented immigrant, aka illegal, from El Salvador, who is accused of attacking RAPING and murdering Rachel Morin, a Harford County mother of 5, on August 5th, 2023. Attorney Randolph Rice, who represents Morin's family, expects the trial will take at least 2 weeks, and due to the high publicity of the case, selecting a jury may take longer than normal. The murder trial could get underway by the end of the week following jury selection. Morin's body was found off the Ma Trail August 6, 2023, the day after she left for a jog. Law enforcement believes Martinez-Hernandez hid in a drainage before attacking and murdering her. His arrest. Let's talk about his arrest. He was arrested in June 2024 at a bar in Tulsa, Oklahoma after a 10-month nationwide manhunt. He was extradited to Maryland for first-degree murder and RAPE charges. He was caught via IGG. And the attorney for the Morin family says it's actually what they used in the Brian Kohlberger case in the Idaho murder of 4 college students out there. They were able to take DNA collected from a knife sheath and put it in the system and track back to his family in PA. So IGG caught Rachel Morin's killer. According to investigators, Martinez-Hernandez illegally escaped into the United States in 2023 after an arrest warrant was issued for murder in El Salvador. DNA from the assault of a child and her mother in Los Angeles matched evidence at the scene of Morin's murder, according to law enforcement. And they are preparing for the trial. Vehicle traffic will be closed between Main Street and between Bond and Main Streets. And I'll show you that footage right here of them putting up barriers.
Came out so pretty.
So this guy who is in the country illegally was caught IGG, also involved with that home invasion in Los Angeles. This is a case. He's caught. He's cooked. He's done. He's from El Salvador, and he's also committed, apparently, a murder in El Salvador. He is definitely going back to El Salvador after this conviction. CECOT. You know about that? El Salvador prison, the worst. So I expect him not to spend the rest of his life in a Maryland prison, but go back to El Salvador, to their maximum security prison. More harsh. He deserves it. The family of Rachel Morin. You heard from one of her baby fathers, Matt. He seems like he's been speaking a lot. He wants this over with. And Rachel's mom, you saw her lay the grave. The Trump administration is, having her a lot join Trump at locations and whatnot, because Angel mom, right? Rachel Morin's mom, Jocelyn Nungaray, another victim to illegal immigration, and Lake and Riley's family. These 3 families seem like they are on the forefront, but there are many more other victims to this crazy last 4 years when millions crossed the United States illegally and are preying on American citizens. So I expect 100% conviction. You saw the security there tight. Praying for the Morin family. Everyone centered around this case. Hopefully they get justice very, very soon. I'll give you some updates on this case, any developments or anything about what happened at trial. I don't think the trial is televised. Might go on the back end and go check it out and see the conviction as it goes down. We'll see. Subscribe to the channel, like, hit the notification button. We cover border coverage on JLR Investigates. Let me know what you think. We will talk soon. Stay tuned.